Man, everybody's sneezing here. My dogs, they got dog allergies, right? They're like, Hatchoo! Hatchoo! Doggies. What's that? Who's that? Is that Harley? Who's that dog? Otto? They go crazy when they see the dog next door. The dog Otto. Anyway, they want to go out. They're like, I want to go see Otto. You want to see Otto, the dog? Where's Otto? See, you hit him with these allergies? Come on, doggies. They're opening my pool tomorrow. The pool company called me. So it'll be tomorrow. I'll have some pool and hot tub fun. And some BBQ fun. Can't wait to open up my pool tomorrow. These aren't trees like the Caribbean, right? These are not Florida trees. These are Jersey trees, but they're still beautiful. Beautiful trees. I love green. Green, come on. Go see Otto. Where's Otto the dog? What are you going to do? So, tomorrow is the big day for the Apefather. They will open my pool. You hear those birds out there chirping? I got my fire pit. Can't wait. I'm do my BBQs. Party time. Excellent tomorrow. This is the Apefather's backyard. Hear the birds? Maybe I do like a monkey. Ooh. Let's see if they respond to monkey. They're talking to me. You see, they're responding. Look. Wow! Watch. You think I'm kidding? Look. Wow! They're responding to me.